Vishveshwaraya National Institute of Technology, Nagpur is one of the prestigious engineering institutes in India. It has been ranked 12th in the architecture category, 41st in the engineering category, and 82nd in the overall category by the NIRF 2023. Additionally, NIT Nagpur is ranked by several international organizations as well. Vishveshwaraya National Institute of Technology, Nagpur, established in 1960, is one of the oldest NITs in the country. NIT Nagpur is known for its flagship B.Tech program. JEE Advanced scores are used to determine admission, and JOSA counseling comes next. All the programs offered at NIT Nagpur are approved by the UGC. NIT Nagpur offers UG, PG and doctoral level programs in the fields of engineering, architecture, science and technology. Vishveshwaraya National Institute of Technology course admission is based on entrance exams such as JEE Main, GATE, DASE UG, IIT JAM and NATA. VNIT Nagpur Placements 2023 has been concluded. Numerous organizations from both the public and private sectors were invited to conduct campus recruitment for final year students. The placement scenario at VNIT Nagpur has exhibited consistent growth over the past 3 years. In the case of the batch of 2023, a total of 1,000 students from various undergraduate and postgraduate courses secured placements through the campus placements. VNIT Nagpur average package stands at 10.17 LPA. The other prominent recruiters taking part in VNIT Nagpur placements are Google, DA Shaw, Oracle, Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, City India, Siemens, BNY Mellon, JP Morgan Chase, Deloitte Consulting, RB Associates Architects Engineers and Consultants and Adani Group.